So today we've come out to the Kulen Mountains, which is about 50 kilometers outside of Siem Reap, to visit one of the waterfalls that they have here. Along the way we're also going to stop off at a reclining Buddha and also the Valley of 1,000 Lingas. So our first stop, we're going to go and see the reclining Buddha. It's the National Buddhist day today, so it's going to be very, very busy, but it'll be really, really good.
Song sinh Đi song sinh View xe nhau bông
So we have to take our shoes off to go up to the reclining Buddha, and we've left with our little guide just there, and now we're going to head up this way. Okay, so we're now leaving the reclining Buddha. It's a lot more busy than we thought. We didn't realise how popular a spot is with just the locals. I've only seen sort of a handful of tourists, but it's definitely more of a local, I don't really want to say attraction, but a local religious spot. Again, it was impressive to see how they managed to have a Buddha like that right up into the cliff top. Cool, so we're going to head back to the car now. So we're now at the Valley of 1,000 Lingas, and we're going to go see if we can find them. So this is a freshwater spring which feeds all the way down to the river. So that was the Valley of the 1,000 Lingas. So now we're going to head off to this waterfall. We've made it to Kulen Waterfall. So now we're going to follow the path hopefully and go for a swim. If it's not too busy. Behind me is a bride. That's something you see every day. Okay, so this is the first waterfall. This isn't the main one, this is just the very top of the small one apparently. The large one runs down and over that edge there. So we're going to try and climb down to the bottom and see what we can see. Oh, well, that was nice and refreshing. It wasn't as cold as I thought it would be. I thought it was going to be really cold. It was actually kind of like lukewarm. And that's the first bit. Oh Christ! That's the first bit of water we had since we left 3 weeks ago. The driver just stopped off on the way to say that there's an amazing viewpoint. So we're just going to go and trek down this little path and have a look. What?
Oh my. Have you been here? No.
Wow. Get that for a view. I've never seen a view like that before. So this is the original quarry that was used to build Angkor Wat. So they take the stone from here, transport it 40 odd miles away and build those amazing temples. Right, we are back at the apartment now. All showered, all feeling fresh. We're going to head out for some food. We're going to do a bit of editing, a few other bits, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.